Traders Anthony here, taking a look at Bitcoin. Okay, so we've got this daily accumulation range under here. Just mark it up, and we'll quickly go down the time frames. I'll just go out to the weekly and have a quick look at that. Really important to get a handle on these levels. Okay, so we've traded up into this low over here. Let's grab my mouse. No, tapped into that weekly level. We've got this weekly distribution. It's reaching for it. Weekly, it is reaching for it. Okay, trading up on the weekly, nice uptrend. All right, so we'll just go back quickly to the daily. Yeah. Okay, so this is the base of that weekly. It's over here. Reaching into it, I'm thinking that we might see, well, possibly, we see a little bit more. We've got on the daily this imbalance here that it could reach for. So I'll just mark that up as a daily imbalance on the 1D. See, this has been resolved. It's traded back up in here, and then now it's reaching into this level here. All right, so key level of interest, this one through here. All right, so do we see a bit more upside moving into these levels? That's the question. So we've got this daily accumulation down here, range, and nice uptrend, retrace, rally, retrace. Are we getting set for another rally? That's the question. So let's grab, in fact, we'll just grab a Fibonacci. I could take it from the low of this accumulation range here up to the high. We've got a bit of a tap into the 61.8, so that's an ideal entry point, really, if you're looking at this on the daily time frame. So let's just have a look at this on the 1H, the 4H. Yeah, I like what I'm seeing. I like this thin candle. So where to from here? You've got to be a little bit careful. This thing can be pretty volatile at times, but I do like, right, we've got this balance area 4H under here. We just mark it up. We've got, yep, okay. Yeah, this has got an unresolved imbalance resting down here that I'm wondering whether it'll attack at some stage, but it could take a while to come around. So at this point in time, if we're looking at this from a day trade, maybe intraday trade idea, I don't mind this pullback here into this level, and I like this thin candle. This is traded off with a lot of momentum behind it. Okay, so we have this imbalance, bullish imbalance. Now it's traded back down into this balance area here. I'm thinking go long. Why not? Okay, so there's a market entry, 4-hour time frame. Go for broke with the that, but I'm always going to look to take off. By the way, guys, make sure you click the link below and jump on board our free Telegram group. So let's just have a look at this from a 1-to-1 risk reward. So there's 1-to-1 just resting slightly above this weekly level here. What I might do, yeah, and it's just under this imbalance. I might go 1-to-1, slightly under that weekly. It's not quite 1-to-1, but I'm okay with that. So that's going to be take profit 2/3 of my position would be about there. The rest of it is just trail it with your stop loss, and go nuts with the it just depends on the trend. So we'll just keep trailing it until we see a break of market structure. So at the moment we've got higher highs, higher lows to pull back into the 61.8. Kind of ticks all the boxes, and yes, there's risk involved. There's no guarantee, but we've got a 4-hour balance area. It's traded back down into it, 61.8 fib level touched. Okay, I'm okay with a market entry here. Is that stop loss too tight? Good question. Up to you. you can choose to go in on the 4H from a 4-hour point of view, right? Or you can trade it on the daily time frame, in which case, well, actually, see this bullish order block here on the daily. I got my stop loss under that. I quite like that setup. This this setup. I'm happy with it. I'll go with that. I don't have an issue with that at all. So that's my idea for Bitcoin at the moment. And look, there is risk involved. Everything kind of ticks a few boxes here, but I mean the probability factor is with us. However, yes, there's a possibility that we get taken out, right? So you're going to have to manage your risk well. Always risky in trading. I will say that this strategy that I'm pointing out here in the video, 4-hour time frame, trend, retrace into the 61.8. I mean, I trade that day in, day out, and it makes me money, all right? So most of these work out. Occasionally, this is going to get taken out. This strategy here, this trading plan, right, will get blown apart every now and again. But I do get about an 85% win rate with my trades. So I'd say there's a 20% chance it goes the other way, and an 80% chance comes good. Okay, guys, with that, I hope you have a great day. That's my take on Bitcoin. Comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.